Back in the 80s, a car like KITT from Knight Rider was pure science fiction. It could talk, think, and drive itself. But now, self-driving cars aren't just a fantasy. They're on real roads, making real decisions. Let's see how they actually think. Hi, I'm Imran from FutureTech AI and beyond, and today we're diving into the brain of a self-driving car. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how these cars see the world, make decisions, and keep passengers safe, all explained in simple words. Let's go. Let's start with how a self-driving car actually sees the road. Imagine driving with a blindfold on and only using your ears to navigate. That's what it would feel like without any sensors. Self-driving cars don't rely on just one tool. They combine a powerful team of sensors: cameras, radar, and LiDAR. Think of cameras as the car's eyes. They capture images and video of everything: stop signs, pedestrians, other cars, even traffic lights. Radar, on the other hand, sends out invisible waves and listens for echoes. It's excellent at detecting how far things are, especially when it's raining or dark. And then there's LiDAR, which stands for light detection and ranging. It's like a 3D laser scanner that spins around and maps out the environment in real time. It helps the car build a 360-degree model of the world, like drawing a 3D video game level, live. Now that the car can see, how does it know what to do with that information? That's where AI comes in, specifically something called a neural network. Think of a neural network like a brain. It doesn't follow hard-coded rules. Instead, it learns by example. Engineers feed it millions of hours of driving footage, showing it what a red light looks like, how to change lanes, what to do when a person crosses the street. Over time, the car's brain learns patterns. It's like teaching a child how to drive. But this child learns from millions of real-life situations all at once. It recognizes objects, understands traffic behavior, and makes decisions on the fly. Let's break down how self-driving cars actually make decisions, because it's not just one big thought. It happens in 4 fast steps: detect, predict, plan, and act. First, detect. The car uses sensors and AI to figure out what's around it. Is that object up ahead a person, a dog, or a mailbox? Next, predict. Where will that object go next? If it's a pedestrian, will they stop or keep walking? Then comes planning. Based on what it saw and predicted, the car decides what to do. Should it slow down, change lanes, wait? And finally, act. The car sends instructions to its brakes, steering, and accelerator just like a human would. This cycle, see, think, decide, act, happens constantly, multiple times per second. It's like having a super alert driver who never gets distracted or tired. Let's look at how 2 of the most famous self-driving systems do it differently: Waymo and Tesla. Waymo, owned by Google's parent company, uses a bunch of sensors, cameras, radar, and a big spinning LiDAR on top. It's like the cautious student driver who checks every mirror twice. It drives safely, follows every rule, and is used mostly in controlled areas. Tesla, on the other hand, is the rebel. It uses only cameras, no LiDAR, no radar. Elon Musk believes that if humans can drive with just 2 eyes, so can AI. Tesla's Autopilot and full self-driving systems rely on advanced neural networks and visual recognition to mimic how people drive. Both are powerful, but they have very different approaches to how a car should think. Even with all this brain power, self-driving cars still face big challenges. Weather can mess with sensors. Construction zones confuse the AI. And people? Well, people are unpredictable, jaywalking, swerving, or doing something unexpected. But here's the cool part. Every time a self-driving car makes a mistake or encounters a new situation, it learns. That data goes into the system, and all other cars in the network learn from it too. It's like having a global driving brain that gets smarter every day. So next time you see a self-driving car on the road, remember, it's not just a machine. It's a constantly learning, thinking, seeing AI system doing its best to drive like a human, only safer. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Would you trust a self-driving car to take your family on a road trip? This is Imran from FutureTech AI and beyond. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next episode.